So every young person deserves the chance to feel empowered, to feel confident, earn their own money, and live a life that they can be proud of. Empowered Pathways is a supportive online program designed for young people with learning differences, EHCPs, or simply those that thrive in smaller groups with clear, flexible guidance. It's part of the Essex Year of Opportunity initiative, and thanks to Essex County Council, it's completely free. Students will learn real-world money earning skills, grow their confidence, and build an online portfolio, all in a safe, inclusive space led by coaches who understand different learning styles. So as I say, small group sessions, friendly, flexible coaching, step-by-step earning skills, awards, digital toolkit, and a certificate. It's for young people living in Essex between the ages of 13 and 25, and it starts in January 2026. Spaces are limited, so if you'd like to apply for this fully funded opportunity, please scan that QR code up there. Otherwise, click on the link below. I look forward to seeing you in there.